chada baby a wo bia no my channel kuo one god me chiamo we mo se na that be say ya to aba mo president no okita adwen papa
but I know some say president kun any this kind of things
any dem fa ho say
will be or yeah very good when it comes to this petty things but to aba man now wa be president pe na wa dani the
African dey oni pe bia wo dwen the land no ho no wotimi ebi adwuma say despite me say no omo na say adwen wo mo ho so ade say enye obi o de pen any degree nam enso onya hwe o bi adwuma bi anya hwe na esora na atwa ba wan say a politician asabedi akon baby a wo bia na aka chada ye chiao
I think Chada is doing
part of
something
you
good
Ghana is part of the young man
yeah or 10
or 10 any enjapade a o siwa asase so no asabedi akon
I think the best friends so Mayweather. Rudiger Munina Bagana, player Rudiger, Obagana, ni honu mana, omet na I think
Nanga, got to Sikako be Sikao. And one sanity.
One God. Yes, yes, yeah. Wow, damfo. Obofo.
Nijata.
Ni wan ba sem.
Ya fa Nijata so.
Nijata. Me dey say oni say wan be humi, say wan be humi. Na ye poor libation. And so because me grow hin in all
day. Oh na now.
And yes.
Say say o ko na ase.
Me bo na say you go.
Mo na say o ko na ase. Say o kuro mo yin na esi na apan konyama no nti wo e na o say o ko na ase.
Okay, amamre
sanity.
Okay,
ne kuro bie. Obi akwa or we come on the pepe.
All right. Recently, the church members be free. You can say Western region. That's Sakradi. Say omu ba beshrano. Omu benya accident. And a 4 a film. And there are some about 24 are in critical condition in Yama. I'm also say Odiomo sacrifice. Wow, yeah, Lord of Kama idea. What do you say about what the speculations and Nyama Amafo Eka about Obofo? Any church members?
Where do me dase? Nibofo. Nijata. Say Nibofo, Nijata na ono ani din. Rebi Obofo. Baby a wo bia no. Prophetic mafia. Mechiao. Odi amono. Iron sharpen iron. Asemo ebesi ehu ye na o se me kone na ase ni godi nkomo ba me nya kwan anko kama de tumanim sanete ye to form say Ghana ya dane enipa bebre moa eti Ghana lolo kwan ebetwagu enipa bewu ama moja apram eno na moni tua so a ekoso e wo Ghana hai wei mo bia nyina ba bi nka se sabi kwaku bofo ode na asole ma odo wo mo enyo omo a enkonyo bofo omo ni ho a oni ho se ode wo mo akwakoye sacrifice mo ni pe bia na no nka sa se oba bia esan oba bia ni pe bia ohwe one god video account to say Ghana lolo kwa bi twamoje gu endaka egu sunsun wiase a ebe pay wo land edoso because enipa dodo na na sebi ya da na omo emoa ewo sunsun wiase afi abayifuo ene ahohoma titirifo ede wo mo eba bedi afahye eti se Ghana lolo kwa so etwa moje gu na se sebi ekofa kwakubofo asolema ho a na eche se kwakubofo ene de na asolema akoye sacrifice empenifo se utabu akodu a no we ni miliketuo abrante no sebi onim ho hwe ana bibusa kama ho se ensema mafo ken eyampa se nibofo edimu titiman asema kama kan se dabi na emom no ya dane nkofo bi muwa e wo sunsun wiase eyeden a se ebi to ka mu kwade a se ye VIP o se ka bia tam no so kwade a sabi ya dene bedi afahye eti yesere Ghana fo kwakubofo onim ho hwe mo ni pe bia antena ba bia enfefe ne se echi eni nkomo emfa otan enkotan no edom enisin do oso takrache yesere mo eyesan ena aba ena ato ebi mu ena mo ato na nanu mo sedo a na eche se kwakubofo ede wo mo akwakoye bibi ana do makoye sacrifice
oni nipa o kan sa azem no ono nipa o start sa ranting no wa I don't know say wa downfall say wa nipa Ibrahim. And then I will catch Ibra because Ibra has been one of the people saying same bar no abeka ni busem no oko or see oba out ebeka say Kennedy and okum abeswale ni former MP or can tra police and yanishwi. What do you think say should be done to Ibra? All those
Abrante we there ebeka nka muyi na semfini kwa mu mo amokro mu ase ena ototo nsemfoma okon prekon Kennedy Japan ona boma ne muso o take action ena ni nuano ma de ba se wabodam bipolar ena ya Abrante no ena yetwa so enti eso won se enkoye enti ensamwe no monfa ento baabi se ose kokubofo edo na asole no akwakwere sacrifice but the question you will say because the person now what can ask them nagasa no who say oh papa
now say ye giant sana or yeah all these allegations in Yamana or fan who they I don't think say it's fair. He should be arrested and answer Bibisa who evidence then you go and provide the evidence.
He being arrested it depend on the person now or cast my fan ho onipa na or cast my fan ho or no and be take allegation and ye any ever catch sebi nipa na say onko arrest no and say IGP dan paremechia no baby obia one me brapeni Kofi Buachi papa brapeni mechia o say omunko de omunto nsanfre no ometima to nsanfre no sebi ono so no ho sem boboba ensema boboba no edoso eso so masankwan ma cheja pade ma ye nyoma enti boboba enti kamene na enka me twa nsem bebre so se sofudi no be se wodi o se sheik no be so dani o se mara no be so dani o se awoye sofu o me hu no nda ne preko
na wo sha obe dani den obe
oh se bia we dey obe dani sheik se kremoni
the sheik na
enti on starting from ran kremofo ni mu na onni nkomo nko no nja Christopher no sema omo kwakubafo on fa na asole bia na asole be bia nko ye bibia ye san ya esi Ghana kwa so moja bebre so betwagu enipa bewu before 2022 even Easter cry day enimu cry yendi ye cry bob ekwa no sa time no accident be piepie na doso because Ghana traditional empenifo ejan ensana o man peni akufado engu no ahemfo bebre so ye den enya mamre bie enne ohene ebedi ade a na okotena abrochire se media desmiti New York media desmiti Europe media desmiti UK ye nya ne saa ye jai asase ne basa ana yakofa Western life ana ye Western life so na normally tete asase we so ati ase etin se bebra ekoso ewo Ghana ha sei no amama na ye twagu no apaya ye nyi no amane na ye nya biem no eno na de wo ha na tete ebe so Ghana de hye so ebe kunipa accident ni there afena the deepest one the saddest one the most wicked accident no afena ba be happen etimo bi anka se kokubofo e de na so de ma sebi akwakọ ye sacrifice
one God most of the times when you say things it comes to pass accident death ni nyama it comes to pass is it no times there you have to do something about whatever you saying so that it will not happen.
Something about it they depend on my penny akufado so
yeah no say
on my penny
now so
that be say ye on my see Ghana ha say no kinship na ngasa na say ka Ghana otufo ewuli no enye otufo na ewuli Ghana enye kinship na ewuli Ghana eye presidency na ewuli Ghana Ghana ha ye na papa na akufado ye na papa na sebi Rebecca akufado on 6 March eye debia eye dakese ema o my Ghana the land 6 March no enyoma osomo yema land no that's not what they are doing something different they are showing what their political career what they are doing and what they are about to do and all those things and 6 March is not about showing your politics 6 March is about we all respecting the land
purifying the land
that is how it is they are not doing it is not to suffer one God and I yes you bet send you say ye and my yakwain na na ye eto.
But don't you think say people will be disappointed in you because you know the right thing and you are not doing it?
Say aya honhom and your madie. Me say if I know the right thing, my penny for say okọ na so bi ebo ne ba utimi pacha wa twemukọ utima gini ko jobi ba finish say such as here. I know the right thing, I know the right thing make. Etin ye ka say Ghana efie bia bosum wo mu. Efie bia besom ye. Enso ne ye jai sa no mani na se hu Yakopon. Yakopon so se for Caesar ene Kaza de ema wo mu. Obi ade ema no. Enso nipa so won tiase. Eti wu ene ebewu because sabi ufre busuemu na so na de busum be fie ene na nanom ni ho wo so so la wongu nsa o ma honhom aduane onya mamre wafa babato apampa so o da solid dem o bompaye o di bone o twantro o badwaman o yaza o jenuma bebre. How can God work with you? God cannot be with you. So who are you deceiving? One ama ho kwan eti asase wei e wo se sebi ahemfo no bebre no omutimi come together. No more respect any culture in Ghana. You have to be respected. Any culture have to be respected because you never told culture. No, the culture was there before we were born. We will die and leave the culture too. Yeah. So why do you want to change it? We can't change it. It's on my penny kufado. Any not buying. And my one God. Any karma. Home kwaya. You better chill one with your money. 6 months and no more someone yet. On that day, no. Na assassin so sebi eninje. Ne kra amla ne ho na ahonhom egu Ghana ha so sampa say no Ghana asa go back to the Gold Coast level no anyone person chiro mo
one God oh mami answer but I'm still not convinced because only people knows you, people know what you can do as now, and we have another that says say if Muhammad refused to go to the mountain will come to Muhammad. Have you tried visiting the president and telling him say ni na ese we hear answer all these incidents ni accidents no ebejai? Have you tried that?
You try you too sana money so
which is you are disappointing the people.
I'm not disappointing the people. Brown e yesusum asem say honhom eye na ade a me ne kama ini tumi bia say wo say yekomu bi chese oni power down no ema ekwan na yeso ade abemu bi da bia me ka say Ghana Africa we can only beg spirit. We can't fight them. We can't overthrow them. We can't do anything to them. We can only beg them for them to accept our apology or whatever we are saying, you know. Now you're showing the peace of mind on this earth. Say I'm power muchawa a better peace of mind. How can we beg them? Through our sacrifice, through our pornography, near the idea saying Biblia say they are saying because it was there before we were born. Yes, I know, man. So what I say. Now as I come at too many say this is the time I was say Ghana has say no and send me crazy here and ya send me and maso go police station e kura say asemi here I was say the kwa yifie na e ko settle so obi akwa aponche obi akwa abode obi akwa twa obi banche obi akwa fo bi meku sa na ma we na ye the kwa yifie na no ma ye den asset and so na ya maso the kwa quarter na judge obi petition wakomo obi 40 years wakomo obi 20 years wakomo obi 10 years wakomo obi 5 years
judge ori appetition
say judge ori na appetition class na kan wi appetition ko bi ko wi abode a obi ko twa bode 50 Ghana na ko ma na be 25 years appetition na we so it is time ahemfo so should come in no mo suit me dey eye no me bi ko police station your case is akese a murder case na kese bi ko police station enya assembly na maso ko police station in Africa e bia no say abisima asemu ya yekosu to me di etire me say lawyer bia obedi asemu echi wa asemu ne po I'm telling you just a susum nipa and a lawyer sebi or society mu lawyer bia woni society mu no asemu won to me di etire
I say lawyers no any judge no most of them no kwa go say they are associated to those society in Nyama. Most of them
susum ya say majority of the Ghana lawyers no society mu and to society mu so a lawyer pa only society ma wontimi attack case we
okay
would you go be bugu o
what do you think there should be done
enti okay my question is say o ma pele ku fado 6 months here yes abedi 2022 yi saa 6 match no so make sure say obema traditional rulers no kwan no ma be ye enoma eya pa ye egu nsa esu ama na nanom sampa asasi asasi sebi twedon po de shahohom sa so ati ase eti sa say cause accident na mo besi more happen the eba bonti kwapo de west eteka so oni pe bia o ye driver ni a beje one go sticker ni bi talo car ho fa se car fa tale car na ase on be so bia be won se bi na talo car wa fa tale car na ase be bia o na bia no one go sticker no kama to me kama honhom omudi mutintiman obekwa aba enyina cha wasase so ana one go sticker na nya no kwa na ye obi ho no ma sebi wonya pains for more than 5 years 10 years nechi ni sisi ni ti ne na na be bia the course ti ho ya le kro bejibi yenton fatale ho within 24 hours say pains ni kwa for ma say a spiritual dey pains no akopɛ spiritual person no ade waso chama munje bibia mo de call hospital bia na hospital eti brown accident dey more besi emblemu me yeli pa say wa se mi hu a na je say ase bibia na me ko di akire o my penima ya kwan a ono na Ghana ha ye na ere ye say ase o my kwan na so be mu bi so o ma me kwan a me one god me ne me pamfo ne ma honhom ye timi fire pe embe take Ghana honhom because me be to mo asase so me wu na o mo so ti ase be sirawo ewiase de fufuo de aduane de etino ne fa me ho no me fa mu ngojim.
Okay, the fa me ho no me ntime fa me ho ekoye den ekoje. I think say the one God sticker now can was in back. The unfortunate thing is that most of your viewers no omo abrochi. And I think say who family member bia or no oye you can say oye driver and now or in such situation you can advise them now mo contacting one God and then you'll be so as you're free yeah the body part or no oye money extortion in yama or you're free generous beji ne ball woman so what I say one God who can be sim came so and I want you to know say issue ni BAC ewo Aigbe voter region honum guy bi oni ni pina ni girlfriend ase omonya intokwa kakra okon girl no e de ni share fridge mu double decker freezer for 2 weeks omo say guy ni ho the girlfriend so omo hwehwe na omo ni ho God be so oni ho God be so good no omo ma light out and then set free guy ni dem and akwa say this big flies no house flies in yama ninyina echo so guy need them so it bring a signal say something is going on when they break the door no when they broke the door omo say you can say girl no e share fridge mo that's it. Is this because ebia abesim di any say up to now ya antena case no so ameswale ye hu di okun no you can say sexy don up to now he's still enjoying whilst in prison. Do you think say ebia because of how things are and how they are treating this murderers and no the encouraging amafo na they are also getting into this murderous act?
Enu ne ka se medano ase de bia me ka se abrofo no they practice law, they know law, they eat law, they live with law, they do everything in law. We Ghanaians, we are learning from them, but we are not doing the right thing because the guy the aji nyafa. Yeah, abrochira ukunipa the amount of death sentence. Ni ase de time ko de ye ko hange o ni influence so. And so Ghana, what do we do to our mothers? Mothers they don't say they will be enjoying prison one day pe no be ko chabra bweti ni jano. They say unim ye jawa metanga na ha ko Togo or Liberia or other Africa country or Europe maybe na kwatina na nipa na fan ho di free at this time we also ukunipa ye kumbi ukunipa eni kwa say do ko tun kwa for more than 2-3 months we eni kwa say investigation bi akoso abrante ya wo twisika dwudwa nkola wa besin amya ko hu fisika yi ye say investigate be na say afa bi so esa say 2 midi mutintimanti no we na meka say we lawyer na say only society mu a you can't handle such cases such issue you can't handle it because okwa brocha oboni bia oye criminal lawyer or whatever lawyer no or society mu you have to be in a society senior wo no ibebo ochi dom aben na sa same say ba wetime nya tumi akukoduo courage ade efesi edi ama ewiase no sampa se lawyer pa na yene na eti wiase eso Ghana for lawyers yi omodo madwen ama asofo azanfo yi asofo mpotekufu yi vampires fu yi bloodsuckers yi tutuboto sofo yi omodo madwen ama wo mo think say nyankopon eno mo nete enti se bi o lawyer no na adwen masa asofo na obetumi di ase untimi di ase ma na nyeye because the moment na onipa na di sa boni we ri sa atu we say no wetimi antwe na so wetimi ama ewiase na ehu se ena ekoso no huni polo ko we ko betima ha wadwen da achi eti yesre Ghana fo yesre Ghana penny fo say it is time obi ku obi okromu o se ni pan eku ni bi ya man death sentence na se ya Nigeria ya obi eku ni uncle okuni uncle asem ni court less than few 1 2 3 years na court sentence death sentence no em say no a na hanging no ya hanging bi wo ya to na three baby
do you think that we should go back to that system because rolling time no but because of this human rights ni yaman you free
America is still using that system. Europe is still using that system. Around the world they are still using it. So what is stopping Ghana from going back to that system?
Are you sure Europe need
use that system?
They brought that thing say is too harsh.
America
get it out because it's against the human rights.
America okay. Wokunipa now you confirm there. What do you expect?
Have to kill you. Okay.
You murdered one man said that. You call me on the cabo.
Second degree
yeah. So third degree murder. But where they are your first
degree murder.
And they say it's a kumbi. Now Philippines no. Now baby any panic kon so kobi. Now we say we are said etie. Utimi kuni pasa aboasa. Utimi twitwa obi baba. E panic so fridge mu. Kuni just like that. Na ye be chewa, na dey wako tum, na mo dey di, na mo so anum, na dey na feel na live like.
Guy we
it doesn't make sense.
We Johnny, but say o was Zambia, we go do Zambia all no baby.
So ati ase. O no. O ku amaya no. Eti we say no, ebi si okroman ma, na se ekom back a. O bo say san ensem na be dey. Esu betwa. Why Ghana police they don't go gun somewhere na aban SF fidi wo mo. E dey be mo dey say di kan o. Emwa o se oku nipa yekun bi can't be an in law human rights nangasa ye die chi nangasa no sabi rainbow family for ayo moduma kwa mo so mo sentence wo mo enu kwa na nchen na obi o koku nipa woku nipa o sabi wu judge seke o this year president can this year minister can this year police penny police inspector whatever this year and how will you feel? We should always feel for some people.
But one God, do you think say, trade be as is here abey? When him say, obi say nye fridge anka within 1 day okun sa nepana 1 day obe start say born in Yamazo they will get to know at the ebia na ye be channel before maybe 1 week me 2 weeks. But guy we abesim guy we or the trend be aba say okun nipa udi ni chef fridge ma ekwa say cold store. You can store the body for as long as you want. Ebi as a alarm blower, ebi another free way. So, and should we get a law? Ebi a two ama or more, they will have that canal mind. He say, oh, okay, if I kill this person, this is how I'll do it. Or China, should we have special punishment for them?
The only punishment you say when you murder somebody, you also have to be murdered, sentenced to death. Simple as that. You couldn't be. That's the only thing about boy. Sorry, I say. I home must swallow Ghana. It's what be my whole kind. I'm a home do I say man. I also suffer assassin so. Ghana is not bigger than America and other countries. So other countries are doing it. Ko Asia ko he. Obi the draft we one local you will be killed. You be cool. Sentence you be cool. One row no. You chill Malaysia, you chill Singapore, you be cool. Just one you be cool. So what are you talking about? Because almost almost pen across to a part of the world, a lot of countries are still doing it. So what are Ghana waiting for? na de bia so ni be ni peku nipa obetwitwa obi na no Instagram obeku na no betutuo obo obi we aye na de bia police koba na de adu investigation na ya jiska wo wesem na ya jika ka wo wesem
no na hard that investigation sa pass asem no
onipa bia oba be the murder person no or discussion ho ba o no betutua bribe no okọ na police fire asem no wonwona chinchinan finchine
why the sabi.
Let's go back to Papa J's time. Sastan I said back. Uku obi a was simple.
No. Kum obi a say ye kum because kwakwa say abesem guy bia share new strategy or the new strategy about the people who have that canal mind say one person okum obi na omodwane a they can do that and then put the person and I think say which will be proactive enough na obi kum obi a na ye kum sa nipa no because Bible can say he who lives by the sword must die by sword. So what are we waiting for? Because we have several examples as I mentioned earlier on. Omunyina they are just in prison enjoying to the sense say obi by ebe kan chair say no owo you can say owo ni freedom no or the fried rice ni chicken and the sardine and say owo prison no that's what he's going to eat. And now we have some who is providing all those things for him. Ewo obi a wa medo obi o obetimi a request say me pese me yire eba na me ni ye bibi
e na manaba
na ye manaba. How serious are we as a country? So at the end you think in same way then you think that there are people behind it, big men behind it. So at the say because you can't kill someone and just be in prison enjoying. Says guy, we all do that and then come and enjoy. Because you can't say fried rice this has sardine and you will see can now date. A police war and now obi ne tomao. So say me wanna I think say me bread me to me akumobi na mako na ye top fried rice ni we am after all I will enjoy for the rest of my life. So and I think it's not fair, it's unfair, and we are losing trust and interest in this. You can say the judicial system. No, abesim case no up to now. Omo international that now judge ayare, judge call holidays, judge call dini birthday, judge call yese.
So say cannot be we. Aji hino yasa fana ye dua amafo airton. Make it good money
no
to help their
it's still illegal
illegal na no ya ekwachi obi ye chini with a sack of weed no the next day na dey court akojeli no and so abesi case
that's so wo so I think say system no there we should sanitize the system and then make things work so what you say because it's unfair while your reverend Owusu Bempah last year home pictures any video circulating say wako oma inviting into policeman we your friends say Kofi Boachi ne ba engagement e wo Kumasi e na ye hu the way oni you can say dampare omunya a little bit of talk ni nyama they hug themselves ni nyama amafo so buefu say aden nipa we treat you say nipa wa ye we say why then will you give a smiling face and be in that position with him? Do you think say ebia or feeling say ebia Kofi Dampare is not behind the atrocities na oni ni eko twibom na
honorable Bramada no ase Sofo Bempah Dr. Owusu Bempah me dance me chia no na sa video na course no dey say mo se papa no o ye sofo na me dwuma no afa to ne ho so no
e na o ye
Bible no o so the church 77 times and e kom so a ye bra pani Dampare onye hwe ya order from above na
so no no ya above no
na bi order from above no unu say komo a president osiso and appoint IGP
no cre
oni na be dey chi so that's here and abedi eche so na control police for
no cre
me wana
no cre
eti we ye komo e political mafia and akomodi omodi group of nim ase and they are still doing it. Enti that pride on your head. The Juma na oye. Order of my bed. Omo prima dan pride be IGP no. Omo no mudi na ye Juma.
Okay.
Only say ne beka e no so odi so. E na oye. It is our co ye bra pani Kofi Boache eba engagement akoto sabi opani kese papa bempa o ha. O tumi ne ko twetwe wo ho. E wo say yes de empanifo say sabi menyame yo madam ho so mi sem na ede esimiti ese ene esese na esese anya bone ento mo sese no mo chia anya bone na emom no asem no de eda court se betwem se yentwem sa order of my birth na be kire tem ka say Ghana has say no some people are above the law no ebimu ebrum la no so it is asem na video na trend on social media na de mo bia bremu osofo bempa oye nyame nipa ne besi bia no ne yakopɔ no osom no no ne yakopɔ na afre no no emu na wogidie wo ono na sebi obebu atama no enyo no ne kwakobu nipa bi aten
but say Bible na kai say o san ba ko hawa twa eti with this treatment meted out to him ninyama aden na obeye like he will just forgive this because so case dey work out and you say ya scrappy case no ana okoye no wako win case no but case dey work out and na omo ye o sa no so onyu omo hwebom
and am say dan pare do onye hwe
dan pare one ye sa we
na say make order of my birth e wo ho no o be say bodi wo ha
yes
say bodi wo ha
me person o be bodi wo ha order from above
order of my birth o be say bodi wo ha
onu no IGP onu no the head
and na me patch say order of my birth e free sebi on my penny akache ho no ma be say bodi
and the president say onu no appointee dan pare
the president na be di eche mumusa be di eche de na ekoso mumusa be di eche de ne pafo abedi eche ne pafo say de na ekoso e de na papa bempa
abedi eche no oni
aye Mamudu Bawumia ne pafo maboni ati
his excellency Bawumia oni we then omo wo
o de e me say
they don't have anything
e me say wada so na gu abonten
ti wo betumi
ma cheche mebre
amafo so
ma cheche mebre say
at the end of the day they will be confused so you need to enlighten us
yo kromu ase ana papa bempa tu na numu tuo say o my penny Akufo-Addo we twa na 8 years ewie entokwa obekoma MPP no woni MPP for to kwanta ya pai enya de a also be support MPP 2024 biem because sabi o my penny Akufo-Addo tuo o ye kristoni ye na so say ye bra penny Mamudu Bawumia the vice president o ye kremoni ono so sabi na seda ene ni bibia opebia no ono ni shake ene ni limam ene ni penny for na ede e o one side eti papa be pa ba monte be tu no numu tuo say he akonya we asa be biemu de ono ebe bo mpai no watwam no yakopon ya chen say ebe kọ the NDC John Dramani Mahama chen sa sam we na no ebe to social media ema eme video bi circulate say otani bi atimi ede endi ade no omo say papa no ede Mamudu Bawumia etiama sabi empamfo bi mo twa papa no wesia the security bi bia so ede ebufu ye e sabato amonte kwa say Mahama esade ba amonte say all die be what? Die. And also papa bempa ka say sa same we dey nya bone e ka Mahama ka same we a o se ka papa bempa ba monten e be blast Mahama e dey sabi en same tutu ye but support of the Mahama no e ma part of the MPP for no say no say papa no o movie akọ Mahama kachi so I dey say eti ye catch us say sa same na e koso dey that pare ni mu tintiman sam that pare onimu twe e order of my birth for that man no e ye nkofo bi so and that now that you said that pare I was saying the man yamana IGP no e ni pare ni see IGP on me so tie everyone na say Ghana it is time IGP no we Ghanaians have to vote for our own IGP na IGP no ba abayo wanyo over obia so just here government and choose IGP and just so say ruling party na there ekita IGP ni mu it is say the just encomophobia almost say one side no omo na wo che papa bempa say oh e be mafia so we so chere say Akufo-Addo ko na mo mpa ma ebie o be so chere so on tie chi miensa map 2024 there and you should go ni ma say eno na koso okuru
so always means in a nutshell no you are trying to say a political vindictiveness say na all supporting Mahama people think that he's swaying away from MPP to NDC now is it good for a pastor to be doing that
Nyakopon na kasa fa ni mu o se ni Nyakopon na kasa fa ni mu ono oba ema ahensem ahindie ensem ana yakopon frɛ ne ba Ghana ha
okay
president ebedia dia ohu ye so no daye ye ka kyere ma ne ba bonte beka waka bebre ma de aye ho se ne penefo kan se aye bi pen krama wo ho aye se kofa de bi de ebeye yi etwa bi peke bi pa be mu ni de eni pe na de agini di etwa ba bonte betu no numu tuo se sei na abekoso 2024 no enti bone be na wo no na mafo so ntiase sebi Mahmudu Bawumia oyeslemuni ba John Dramani Mahama oyeslemuni ba Kokoba eni dede ba omu na nye krobofo ma enka boni be na wo
Koko ni dede sometimes omu to me free dance so
omu na se krobofo ma
obi ye God say Koko na ebi ye dede
so omu na
Koko ni free dance na dede free
sanity enti say ukotu benku na kotu dokunu so won chen omu na ye bruma obi anya different bruma no no
ba benku no ya omu di we ye fra enti enya de say
enya fa we bro won kwa de bruma no no so atiase eti we de political movement bi ade ma fe papa bempa because they say no ono so to no wo hu say akonya na ha na beko wotu no mu to pain enti emebi kwapo no mismu ya fifi mu me hu ye eti me ton sa se me ne Mugabe be kasa ene ohene bo a be kasa se papa be pa ba bon te be ka sem bi afa John Dramani Mahama ho a ma mo ba bon te be di papa na tem enye se bia ope mama ka che na akọ pesika anase se na emom de wo hu no ena o de oka enti onwunya di no mutie so ade ase sansem we na no few months ago ye keka na sansem we na de AP abonten videos ni na abonten ade ase eti so papa bempa ene dan Paris ya also modi nkomo ni nua no baako ebenya che baako epani che baako enti ye bone order of my birth ni de esaba biem kwa nka engagement as kwa sa chi no
onim
say order of my birth is by engagement say yes a chi no ho ma ka dan pa ebe sa chi no because o ene juma
okay
sanity
eti yan kan honum na me dwu ho am nti as because oh hear me sir me I'm playing like that but maybe I know all your past times but we are all human and we have that spirit in us no matter who you are human before that title one God say obi person o hear me boni no offer boni no through you or the boni ni be fa through you now why hear me I hope you understand what I'm trying to say say obi ebi a warfa na we person o hear me boni wan hear me boni ni straight or they are passing through you and now o hear me I don't know about that it's the one you rather become who is my enemy as of now
no dear sebi order for my birth dear you should understand
I should understand
sebi o papa odu be wiase kura po no se o talk ama na o frɛ sebi ni gateman say jeki ni free me baba man say ma the gateman have every right to take that key from you because order from above so papa o talk ma maame o maame e na yire no kwapro di mu asem no o twako say gateman jeki ni free me yire sema o yire na yire ni say also different say order from above and then fa ho it mi so bia so bia it way Ghana politics akwa say bi agbefo boso o konchen a kodi weduru a obese de bia wo ba wa ma de bia na soja to go different place a obetwe waso Ghana politics no or said the bia no we are there you should be there the best CBI you should be there so I say when you try to say pe na ya fa ho time enemy no we enemy no papa no sofo tina dem ka say osofo there sebi you who feel politics mu and so papa ben party also nyakopon fair no for sa enoma no so I say honestly calling no it's part of his calling and wa kebi mu abem other countries ko kan e ma ne dey ebem e ma ne si eti we dey nyabone eti Kofi Buachi eba no engagement na sequence order for my birth no kwasa by say yes arrest na kadam pari ni say ko be arrest no and then force on the necessary na emo na ama ne sa eti me sure say empenifo edi year dey 2 year
openifo di year 2 year but in this case no amafo dodo na so try say and they are still believing say kwakwa say because amafo bi teche entina papa bempa and our police no omo ntumi arrest agrada because some of the charges are omodi bo Papa Bempa no you can say Agrada has also or is also guilty of those crimes because omo say omo call you know now the bodyguards ni yamano so omo kita tuo. So why is it say they are not dealing with Agrada as they are dealing with you can say Papa Uzu Bempa?
My make us say Papa Bempa issue no. They fa Agrada so. They issue as scapegoat. They fa Agrada so. So ti ase. Ono mo di nya no. Papa na ye pekwan bi egu nanim ase dada. Ye pekwan bi kwapo egu na asole okrumu a. So ti ase. Amanfo be so mo kire Ghana for say enye Papa Bempa empire and the MPP the ever power.
Okay.
So they want to do whatever they will do to what? To do that. When they didn't talk everybody Nkremofo na kiso for them no. So they say because Nkremofo be so ntomwa so MP party ni mu. Say they be around na Nyankopon ya chop. They be Nyankopon ya chop. Eti omo tumi dia I was some of the faith ni. No mo say they bring you down. Me ba chere me cannot say. Eti Papa Bempa se na Agrada se me dia. Say ka normal, say ka chi Agrada. Say na ye chi Jesus and what fetch Shatawale County. I was like a tone safra grada near to Papa Bempa. Now that moment now, eyewitness on one no will be able to the statement. Say I got a boss 82 by Papa Bempa boss 82 by it's moon and a momra, Momma police kukumu, near investigation, and so I know sa. So I say, and penny for saying near what quartain, near what battain, near Ojina, near Ojina assembly siano, or no yet tinted through who they are course. And I got idea, and you are no. Ene me achi Papa Bempa Agrada onu tumi bi okrumu a say obet mama police for order say ye kwache Osu Bempa ye ndure no ye fa ne kokot ye nyi ne say dabi ono an ho bo na da ense me bo ba na do so maka no wasam bebiri minka biem it Agrada so odwe ne ho ono so ofa ne kwan say na ono ne Nyankopon temede ebe kama enti enya ono ene ma police IGP dan pare say kwana kwache Papa Bempa say ne say order from above no free Vice President Akachi and a buy. All the free buy.
Okay. I feel I can't.
Oh, party because so.
Oh, okay.
Party because so. As soon as I come away now, cause me man Kobe. Come on, okay, be actually party because so. I want to come up politics in the porn. Or by the same so the mutinti mine because Papa Bempa no way. I didn't say Mahama. Abeka all die be die. One man won't tell me blasting Mahama. Now more go supporting Mahama. As Papa Bempa ya chinu and you go to me. Ekom John Dramani Mahama na na safa achire any lawyers kugu dan for kasaye emi ama papa ne bill enya MPP for no come papa ne bill ye man ne bill wie no asa na MPP pen for ne cost sese so afọ ne cool o nyame nipa on pe ensem keka bebre o ka se o ba bonten abe cancel go abonten a mo be wo se sebi party no anyina ni ye eso no afọ ne cool o si de be si bia no the battle is still the laws.
Okay. The ABCBiano, the battle is still the laws from Papa Bempa because sometimes we don't understand some of the things that is going on. But come Adaruma through one God no, we be actually say what I say. It's wherever you are no, we are still on my channel Pantuma. Subscribe, share videos no, and then alert people to know that we are live. So what I say, let them know we are live and we are bringing you with the most authentic informations and news in Ghana to you. And we are here for you. You don't know the basics information, the candid information that happen with Ghana. That's what we are bringing to you. And be with us for some time. So what I say, it happens every 4 o'clock to 7. Yeah, now 5 o'clock to 7 Ghana time. So what I say. Yeah, so one God. Kennedy Japan ni law suit no I call sue Kelvin Taylor 9.5 million no yes of Adam for Kum Chacha or see Sawe no Kennedy is wasting his time any nisika any nimre but sa issue no enko see aga is it a good thing for Kum Chacha to say
me da no ase Kum Chacha me chia no I say Kum Chacha akoye sofo o ye sofo bi a asem bi akoso okuru me bia no o say yen fa de yen fa che okay so Kum Chacha appear phone out now on fa cha appear Kum Chacha asem bi akoso okuru me bia no Kennedy fa che and so since day one say bi appear e phone apia bebreka afum kum chacha sia tiasi bi oja brant atem o say se nyakopon enfa che obonsama onu kum chacha so fa chapia enti ade na kum ebeka se okun prekun Kennedy Japan enfa asemu se enche Kevin Taylor murder case adia ebetuma da afọ so ama great grandchildren kwa ababehu abewidi abajimu disgrace who knows say echebi kwa Kennedy ne man bi anana no bi kwa eba be politician eba be the biggest politician in Ghana here they can be tagged with this kind of murder issue eti I was say the year 2 year I was say bie kronani na dey do talimu na Ghana fo na hu sampa asem no fake news ana say Kevin Taylor akwaji sika kikan sembi and then a powerful Kevin Taylor tuwe on Ghana ha he doesn't know who killed Sule onim do oni ku Sule onim do ku jebi dan kwa fake news and then kept them so loud mouth and owo kana etikum chacha yesre no yebu no ye respect no asem se etoma na eda ono so edi apia bebreka boni be che no afen ne na bon kombo no sada na so Kennedy so Kevin Taylor so de be dey che no.
Oh, why should you say certain? Because with what Kennedy you know say kun one cause you appear biblical. It's so in one way or the other no or the channel just say or can one say
some na make say or say or not can the video there say Yakupon obonsam born in China or no kum chacha on for appear biblical born at the end channel ti ono so fu no na obi e twan to kese say out to a whole good man like Kennedy Japan 1,000 the only man in Ghana here, the only politician in Ghana here, 80% of Ghanaians look up to him. The upcoming generation, Obia don Obia penasem. Net now, not fake news we say no. Make good animals in the bush animals. Net it was a child who knows. No, because say the great grandchildren bit by a politician or Krumwa. I bit by a member of the MPP and NDC. Near I got tired and say, "Oh, na kwa no de okunkum nipa." Yeah. Oh, na no yesi. No yesi. Na upcoming generation na amama tie story no, who story ni mu no. No matter, oma jedi. Papa je tuwe. Edu ta papa je esakra no. Na ama fogusu tag no so oye meda on eku we. Ema generation bia amama hu papa je amemo kwa from early 1990 to up to 2021 no. Oma je se papa je de meda because a news security every grown up bia about to papa je
no can say
I was say okun preku Kennedy Japan o jane na so ema asem we say no the whole world the dead and the living no obi hu the credit ewom say Kevin Taylor ayampa no kan or evidence says it don't na to no na ya won pan ya won lagata say why jimi no ohun de okan feze a che no say nsem no kan no eno ena o say ejina so yet people mi go tum na ya won lagata ma na jimi na ya oba ana kufa da sim koku jebi na nkwa oba ekere da sim koku jebi na nkwa oba mama da sim koku jebi na nkwa he doesn't know what he's saying eto no to yesi ano se ye ka se sebi ye de ba be jan se o me testify me ke bibia o ye jonki dada ya se ni pedia akini ase no eti doesn't know oni bibia so ti ase eti me sire Ghana fo obi a be tell me say Kennedy angel assembly mu no sebi ye se ensafunti na court wo ho en twa to so na court wo eti na do asem court na judge busa say one witness eyewitness no wa infa or evidence no wa infa eti na court e dey e wo ho eti Kevin Taylor should prove to the world say or eyewitness or who say Kennedy ebo akwane pa odu a o say ebo ne pa ho no and sika tell say all the evidence no Kevin Taylor on famra bontin na ye di Kennedy echi no ya ye dono ye pen asem no yeso ye jabe bi ne ye kasa ye hu de be de ye be ka e yampa ananya mpa eti we de kum chacha yesre no onja asem e kan no no odika fa apia bebre carbon nko de enko che
baba looking at this case I think say kum chacha idea jo kan say he's wasting his time in the age in Yamano. I think say he might be right in one way or the other. Why do I say that? Honorable or Juma say Obabeye ewo Ghana because or your MP and moreover no on said that near Hondin Assad those time ebia so Ghana na your fair court case no because he will be needed at the court now from Ghana to they be outside Sika who say time all because of this very case. Don't you think say what Kum Chacha is saying, you know, is not far away from the truth?
And penny for say only time I enjoy be ye time I da ohi ankromo no Satan be hima na say be hima sponsor ko na go ku bibra e only time enjoy be ye okopra ko our time oso no so da ya enye sika eye ntokwa tie nie le da bi obasu bia no enye sika eye ntokwa tie bibini a onim nyansa chemburo ni nya ho no ye tie story ni ye bibini a onim nyansa chemburo ni no me ka no piache opa wabunfu me se bibini onim nyansa chemburo ni ye nya ho no ye ma me ka se wiasa opa wabunfu atare so ne buro ni wo cha buro ni ma ho ofo so buro ni ma ho e de pa na waye wo bibini e de pa na waye okromu anomo bibi a so to na buro ni na ya ma na wo ni je ho oti bi se bibini onim nyansa chemburo ni no ye nya ho no ye 1 2 asem bia ni Ghana hanoma sebi ye die yeda obroni case edi 500 years kwapona omutim ko twesa be dey ebedi ebejeli America there are so many cases edi more than 200 almost better more than centuries but I'm got you
yeah and
some time ago akola obi ko ku obi one state one
na nye onu ya the wrong person
you got the wrong person and so what dig akoko hu because be kwapo issue hwe baby how many years in here and so mutim go di asem we say Ghana na ye nim mra na ni so o judicial for no mo di mra na di agro mo sola kaka o maje wa age wa anti no my classmate me ne call Gasco me ne call St Peters me ne call Buche me ne call Hanti no that is obroni di amfa na ho sa forget about school no call ye ye di ne to so ye judge or ye prosecutor or ye na juma so that say eti asem no baby anam of Virginia City no Virginia State no ehonum no obroni na kodi asem no eye nipa ni nipa na enya enya nkrama menu na enya Kennedy nipa Kemitele nipa etimo obi atena Ghana nga say oko preku Kennedy Japan within the time. Do you know how many black lawyers in America omo follow case we say do you know how many white people mudi case we eti all we need is evidence ye free asem the back quarter me say Kennedy say play enya sizi enkwa dia sika betwa politics akwa bam Monday to Monday or Sunday to Monday the papa no woni na bi wa boa na ho ete wiase so any time an kodi be yi our time ema case we e was a Ghana for the end of this case because some murder case they took it so no is too much and now papa no free wiase sabi now wetimi solve problem we are the upcoming generation no e be target the generation I'm telling the truth and then papa je wo and so a 100 years kwampo na ni generation ebeti sasim wo masun your grandfather was this your grandfather was this because history there you can't delete it history enyela say so obonidi data Google abey everything will be there to that kingdom will come.
Yeah, no,
so what are you talking about it I was asem we say no ye di ni ye na Ghana for say sebi abrante kavitela na eye pa ne abono tie nie ya bone pa se omegu Kennedy ni ase ya bone pa se ometwe Kennedy enim twitwiri form Kavitela only evidence bia so kwa evidence ka omo be tro say Seti Dondon is ready to testify or whatever in that be Seti Dondon about am wie abrante ya wo won laga to please about am wie na adwini wo because ya chi the first day no di no bo first day no e wo ho say di na say fa enye more than 2 years na we ka the Kennedy na ka say Akufo-Addo na sma me Bawumia na sma me we na sma me na wo su di akire no ye nya kwala sa o me tuwe asem we de same say one God kosusu miase na kama embodi an ye betuma bodi na check na for say when na kusule when the kuje be dan ko I dare you I swear to God and so fire ho ye fa say get me kan asem ye de same say krima I'm telling you I will sit on national radio and declare the names in Sobia and I confirm who the person me say nyawa but I court dia ye hwe Kavitela on evidence bra
as one God in this case no say obi na accuse no wrongly whether it's being right or wrong no because it's not being established no we say wrongly and ordinary pa no court so in this case no say honorable no so accuse am for be about things they don't even know about politicians pastors nini colleagues nini ama so what is do you think that those people should also take him on I'm in the court and
who is stopping them from taking Kennedy to court?
No one.
So why are you speaking for them? They should also take Kennedy to court.
And I mean,
defamation. Ghana has him.
A man for Eddie Chen.
Ghana has him. Omo fan channel. Defamation of character. Ghana has him. Enye juma. Seke juma. Enka enkofo be ma bonten. Emeye. Emeye ma ma pe. Ana mu se sa asem otimi gina so ama abwabapon. Eba bonten be patcho. Ebe ka se ensem o kafa Abraham ama hu na ide yi. Eye tro. So dey ase. Abrochi ate sa. Obroni krom. Utimi ko twa tonto obi so. Na fa nkọ court. Na obroni wasting the time. The 1 hour time. Emet na so asem no so. Eno mesese. Hey, asem na okay. Obroni. See. Chaso. Honorable. Ready. What person the court no fa ne court. Obe ko fa ne court Ghana ha. To kwan fa ne America hobby. Ne fa ne court obeba.
Okay.
Obi bo na nyom. Ma yo bo ne ya samame. Eje samame nua ma yo bo ne ya mese samame. Samame na meba. Wa bo ne ya. So there we can say me na nanom na net. Okay. We are so ni kokkrafo ni mrafo tena cha de koso bia woni. Ma yo bo ne ya samame. Eje Kennedy mese ma yo bo ne ya mese samame. Samame na meba. Wa ni so okko prekun Kennedy Japan. Edidi watem aka asem aye bibi etia no. Our person didn't call court no. Court war. The court is there for everybody. Court gate a BSL Kanesi market. Obiet mi remu bi koba. Yen tu mu ga say wo na wo tu na bi. Eti okopra ko. Oso tena ho na sabi abranti akola ke towe esuko no ma we enu aba we enfa na nim twitwi form. Eti odi ne be gina empenifo ni ma. The sika na chire, the time na chire, na daji na chire. Eti en enfa obi aho.
Okay, the time na chire say who wo ho na ebia you think say he has defamed you now one fana go court and wa but because of that one fana court you shouldn't say so you be court and ye fair obi a defame no and our per say ne pa no be provide evidence to say this and this I have said about you, this is the evidence or who evidence on there no clear, then Ghanaians will know say he is behind this or not. So what he has here. One God, we are your sister, Nanamba McBrown. And I own him, one of the talkative, or say, or yeah, or no, friend who counselor Lutrot, or can be every day he has been saying a whole lot of things about you can say Nanamba any Nikunu Maxwell or marriage. And recently, Maxwell Kwako said, on himself and your beer or no taba social media etro and now granting interview in yama but nanaba any echo adom OKFM or granting interview with Abeku and I've been surprising her no Abeku a friend year a friend Nikuno Maswo and all be saying one question or say people say Nanaba is older than you. Upon all these ladies, Adena who settle on a number, Obia when you say more than 5 or whatever years. And I see, or see one attack cancer, and I see a Councillor Lutrot. Do you think that Councillor Lutrot is being fair to Nanamba and Nikuno? Because a month for you were boys girls are almost 20, 25. I worry obi a 60 years and no problem. But obi a the distance I don't think that it will be more than 5 years. But still, society have a problem with it. What is this about? What is going on between Councillor Lutrot ni Nanaba Nawari?
Medano ase. Councillor Lutrot ni chiano. Nanaba McBrown. Maybe obi a ba pa me chiano. One na ho kan ni Maswell me chiano. Eya bibia me ka se ye de ebon pae se Maswell onyi McBrown ba ko ye de ensenesa na atamfo anu fianse abebie mo kasa de ameka se ye kan ye society Ghana de Ghana account to be Africa account to be a kaudi 30 years are not for about 30 years.
Yeah.
Ka was 60 not for go be 60. And so yenya sa who call the western world that they are not doing like that. Or my penila that Donald Trump ochemu. Age bia ni baby odu a ofa oba. What's the desire there? O si so no ofa oba ko si baby no twa so. Age bia na oba ofa. Because obeso oni che. So at as here. Good. Nana mama gban eye lack bi na wenya. Ana ahweye bi a ohwe ne ho yie. Wenje gya ne ho. Ama emranti omo ponkodu ese benkutai. Timeyi afa ne mu ama sebe ne socks ne agbojo na se de gya ne naso. Ni poko jenja so se ayi kotodu ada ayi la supu. So at as here. Eti maso no na mo no. Ono so no sabi edia nana mama magma age e wo Ghana ni wiase no ebi bofa ne ho so age ase ne ho so ofe empelifo so penasem de bia meka se magma yo ba bia bi buno because politicians are any esikafo a e pen tonga etu no enye sika ketwa enso won fa ne ho ma obi aye odini kunu echi odoni kunu asema kanso lutot e kan yi enye bone bebre nesi okrumu a yehu ema bi a omugodi mpenefo bi echi because of sika ene hu emrante bi a omugodi ema bi echi because of the sika bebre sisi eti kanso luto de wo hu bi pen no ne wate pen no eno ho danse ena wodi ene mpenefo bu be se abo aserewa de bia semti ena abo aserewa ejeje ne bagro a na woyi ne ni ade ato nchen o ti ase because na no wa o to ne ba se na nani ni so a oku ni ba no papa nani no eto oje ne ba go a nani da nchen na ohuri ni one side so ade ase eti we de magana for emfa nya asem se max da ba bonten abe confirm our national radio so say nana mama bra se no tebia no do no opene dia o tweda pon ya da na se asasi ya ene na honhom ene da o mase ye the empire ye gba because you kromu a ana magba ene ochiame kwame etwempena ebeduru awale no ene ochiame kwame ma me so mpenema ochiame kwame enware na na magba adan a magba enyi che ochiame kwame into mpene tie story no esno mu do mu pa enso ochiame kwame so timi twene ma me ano ye den enwo fom na e wo se ogya magba na magba ye den ekọ odo no achechire mu mienu bas na eya ena ochiame kwame so di amemenfe ekofa eja ni chocho mu cho ni wo yi enso stay he I the took na mama ground say dey na ni page hwe de ekoso bia o de bi ho so de bia o follow na mama ground movement
oh yeah sure
oh follow
oh yeah sure
oh no bia na s de bia no wish the birthday now o follow e good mo o follow such as here eti de councilor luchot e kan de say on ka bo no ye enya bone e ya sema amafo e kan
say besi
na no so ba that beat enya bone
why is this obi aware na every day because it's not just one day or tena radio so bia or tena radio so bia or kan
ewiase ye say obi akono de enyodo mponsu no adu sumakwadu oprosu sumode me obi ande ope obi on ma ope mature women di bon ma o ma dwe do mutim no eso oba wiase opa adwuma na ni ate onim de ekọ so aja se obi so opa fan ladies e ma do no me di agro keke akọ ne baby obi so pen kwala he so okọ sebi edwa so a yo kita school boys wo yo akpa wo eno katawa fis ni obi a ode ne kon de edo enye se ska na oni bi o obi pa to bi ba ohun we no eno ne kon de edo si se maso nana mama bra achaka ni komu we sebi till that you know what comes odo because obi a person wale ne de egu and some mama for carbonte no and na kazo lu to so ade atam abatra radio so ade all can and then the wish no we say yeah society we there so obema enyi che oba enye news nemo oba enyi che obema there enye news say aponche ekwa read pa enye news esu pa kwa aponche there enye news sana Ghana tie obema wenyi che oba and enye news oba wenyi che bema and they news and they talk of everywhere.
Why is this so? Is it because of your society assets?
Yeah, society assets. I know about you. Oko Western life, Oko American, other things. Over to me who young guy about 35 years. No, I want obi over 60 years. Over to me guy about 25 years. Ne year over 70 years. France president on one school madam. The lecture chair na there. Our chair more than 25 years. No warren is see on there. Ebo hono. Ne nije ewia se nya ope na ope. Obi ane na IQ, obi ane na adwen. Okay. E tell dem fa ho. Na mama bra on chair ma so more than 20 years.
Oh, and do 10 years.
And do 10 years. Enya bone. So they say enso Ghana there. Ensam keka se ya we be ensam keka se na apabo de bonyo. Ensam keka do so. Ensam keka se ya ena ma wansan. Ene oyi osibo kokonto kwa. Se o wansan onamo na onisin. Ya oda ho. Eziase Ghana fo. Enye council fort. Abeku Santana so eya oye interview a questions be obusebusa na ehu nya. Na no question obusa osibo. Se added na osibo enko na naba na moa ho na on channel blofo. We questions obusa. Abeku Santana ne say be obusa question be abetina say. Sana say YouTube program yi koyegu no showbiz omo show yi omo yi na showbiz koyegu no na so wetin na so on cast papa bia
on cast papa bia onim
koyegu show no
the style of acting
koyegu show no ana me nua McBrown me tunifo wo ye the one we host no omo ebuom na ho because McBrown trasia of fan ho to say Tarabans mo ne Oprah Winfrey mo level ni bi host ti wa je mic na wo tonyo na wo wuri na wo yese no
meba is part of the show
is part of the show kampuna meba is part of the show kampuna say na wo ye host no control show no because musicians wo ho
celebrities there controlling in there
Kwame A+ say someone ne kasa Kwame A+ or guest onye host otenasia abese o mo obi ehun say onu na control show no Kwame A+ to learn some things because a lot of kids are watching that program. They are learning from it. So what I say, Bulldog or Trasia also who sounds about controlling home because Nanama mu na ona to question at the mamo. Ti say same way na no me nua ba aya won hwe ni na so ni hwe bi. Ano de we cool guy. We cool guy.
Bulldogs we.
Bulldog to be your hard na na asma go you kwaje maika. Media me mpam wasemo. Media me mpam wasemo na mo na kwa me kan.
Na say
mo na mo ewia se me ka de bia se oyonko braboro oyonko stade the difference ni mo. Unu nua nam na se wonya asem a enye hosa na kwakoto no. Na mo anya sika. E ma ni meme na dibi okromu a. Omo fa na 530.
E ma bi
mu ne meme dibi. Obo ebi mu so to talk as me ebi mu to talk fie me ebi mu e de bi tutu kwan ni na Ghana for sika na wa scam and then ho ba asem a yesra mo mususu ngu nani mu ase e di Bulldogs how dey no ye ni dey me sra me respect no me penasem but that level ni dey e mani nya ba bia enyi na mo aboni aye da
okay
e mani nya ba bia enyi na mo aboni aye da se na mo aye kronfo se na mo aye scammer onu le diska no sisi aka abrochi na kana mo eba mo te say wo kwa wo ye o kan kofo no say e betuma be chew because onna na 247 men's gold ekonisi kwa bono yesi Bulldog una go to 222 ni na adi ase eti say wo tina United Showbiz na se mo nye bitwitwa na mo di nkomo a mo fa odo entina ho ma mo snitch ma mo yi mu nua de ama eti McBrown age any maso age ni de perfect Ghana for enya kan
perfect Ghana for India but be per se you call a little bit further na ye hwe onim say a young guy to say the way me per se me worry obi a owo ebia 40 something years ebia me family ni amafo like society community everything they we have a problem but if we have now compare obroni a oye 50 60 years o di bad a o kwa o mame mu a those days who person worry obi a onyi say all free Ghana they are having problem with where they are the bar obe for us adentina yeah blacks we don't love each other and we prefer white than being black and black women
and I say obroni bibini onim nya sache obroni nya won ye aso me catch wala no
I don't agree with you on that, but
bibini onim nya sache obroni when it comes to love when it comes to love matters of the heart don't joke with it akoma na wo no se enye dade enye bo enye dua enye bibia enso emu odey matters of the heart so bi ira kuma mu se abrewa we ana me dona munja no ne mbo spade e wi ase penefo na kan se ubedi abrewa esuonum kankan
oye black de omu mpene
ote be no ubedi abrewa esuonum kankan
ade abrewa fo omu twetwe omuzi
o da bi se be penefo bu ye
Debi amu ikobi
eye be na bu ye utumi ubedi abrewa esuonum kankan ade ase
Oma ye
bedo oma ebe ko na kan ye utimi ba se kwate kese enrura ataba me ono awon ta for nada the na be so kire no so ta se eti Ghana Ekrobia Africa Ekrobia when it comes to the abrofo they are always our masters se ko wonya masters and ko wonya masters and ka obroni enko print ni nwa broni picture emba Africa say Jesus Christ ni na obia worship white Jesus blue eyes Jesus no be about to eat or suffer cry born them okobi adem born na Jesus Christ na ebu nkotoje dabi abrofo no omo white ya che enye nne eti afei na poverty ye dwe ho se poverty be free Africa kakra so that say poverty free Africa sa we enyi chen we ya say na eso be dey e betwa obroni krom ebi ni ho sa
and me see and na when our parents see the wives they succumb to that married thing is it because ye benya bibi and oba fa
make up poverty no tiase
yeah that's how I explain it
poor man no do anything na just say he poor man no do anything na just say he poor poverty ntira sika na eni ho ana ya na society saade no enka odo de kan fa ho odo ko ba bia odo wo empenifo se esi ehu serefo a ena esere kire no ka be ma akosia oba a wonyi che na enkenya bone so far as omutu no etinki bom omo ye okay a ye di be ma ni buo ma ne kwa de there are so many ladies in Ghana ya omo date young guys they are comfortable and they are living happily and your papa for bi so a omo date young girls they are comfortable they are living happily into obi an phobia ho ya na ayesem ke ka se akokora ko date young girl enye bone nemo sebi oba panimu eko date young boy dia news o be bia sugar daddy enye sugar mama ke bone
kan ye bone
yesi control for ngokora omo a na di control film rewa etize de bia sugar daddy wo na sugar mama so ba nkasa ka bone su ni mu na balance equation
but sugar daddy na kwa go say sugar daddy ni here very popular young guy also watch sugar mommy and eyes are rolling now yeah show style bi
and the society ni let say yes I know when you not to change for to free
on say ka say say black man na oni adwen and how adwen say enya no but the same black man na o feel say we Jimmy and now oni nyansa no otumi di obi picture e chati obroni how nyansa
oh dabi
eji nesika without seeing the person without even speaking to the person
mameka asem say aside all those things nesika na dey dey SAS can be there
it doesn't matter Nesika I'm smarter than you
obroni ani brade nyakopon sekodi gold any diamond e ma abrofo a enka Africa come hwe wa ha enka obroni adwen so akobe hwegu play ma go Africa enka omuti play ko ma na egu Africa ba gold ne diamond be pie wa ne oil bi na dade ntino entino mo ni brade wa ha se no so they say there are so many things before you wa abrofo ne de omu ni bi omo branse no mo nya so they say the white people they are the people developing this world
and
they are the people developing a black man
you can also equally
a black man kwa nka menu mi nka bana kia da haban and the boy sisi ka talk kwa ni bi se kan papa kwa ni bi se black man kwa
those days we had ways of making Ipabuani.
Oh, and yeah, oh, me cast match though, me cast match.
Oh, yeah,
any person, any person appreciate the kente. Obiasha suit, Ghana politician, Ghana software, any person I'm flag kente. They only put okente on occasion. Obiasha suit. Esuko benuko ma obenu flag kente.
On flag kente.
Obenu flag kente na bi akoya bibini baby asem na koso kuma bro no so. And on flag kente, or the kente there. We don't cherish our own, so go straight to the point, J. Brown. Man, you who comes in consign. As my can say, oh, bibini only na say we now want and I want to ask. You have to know
how why should
I
understand?
They are our masters.
In what way? Masters in what way?
When it comes to education wise, they are faster. Pay your kitable, pay my pay paper. Why paper that?
Paper we no when you
see promo say and a Chinese for
raw materials no omunye free
and I dey there.
Yeah, because me na me here there because omo machines no but me wa adwin
and I dey there. Adwin ben awo
raw material no
adwin
me so me wa adwin you can say
I say money be obeye me akotwa mpanifo mpanifo tu kwa abroche ko holidays so wo ba Ghana ha dey omo timi nya hwe
adwin say I know say something will come out of this raw material and I've cultivated it.
Let me tell you, a white man will go to school to help his or her country. A black man will go to school to defraud his country. That is it. See a story no. A white man will go to school to develop his country, and a black man will go to school to defraud his country.
Okay, and you be an defraud.
That be omuna, baby na 99%.
Because there are countries, black countries that are doing very well.
And then metina say America say asaibedi akuchada. Na kwame asaibedi akumebo ni di. So wo hwe enaya any plans are branch any area across Ghana, any part of Africa, that guy should be a leader one day in Ghana here. Asaibedi akon, Nyakopo man kwanti, that boy should be a leader. That man should be a leader in Ghana one day. Because you can't philanthropist pa or you know. Takum no. When you see so ko so abrochen kwa o. Hwe una mosua na otu ani kwa no na dikeke. Ade san no mosu otu ani a. Ase de onam Dubai na ase de onam New York no. Sa bedi na si osu no. Se o sa be taze kwa osu a. I bet you. Ne dia asabe dia ko ne so am no na ne too rough because onye pema for the boy the two say didie o ti ase no bi no me wada nam de onye krasi ni sa ne te Ghana minister say omunye scanner Dubai nya koto obori da na echucha tax o Switzerland nya koto da echucha tax o hotel akese a oboni a jet nya koto krasi ne echucha tax. Why can't you build in your country? O my penina da kofo ACB e wa ha ama for di na chema so Ghana for na edwuma ho see some can say bibi ni onim nyasa chebro ni nya won ye
and yeah no matter what you do or no matter what you say me no because Mate. I know brilliant guys are sometimes
Mate
oko they are bibi fo a on ye ade nepa or divided twins was separate twins oh black
okay let me tell you everything we the blacks we are doing today comes from the white people sir asema okase bibini no okoso biboni chen o
o tren fi broni say aden na broni no e ba ye no wentimi anye
broni no no ye
chese onu owo nyansa it's in the history book book
it's in the history book Ghana kwapo no edibu be kra o edibu be kra o hono mo so just make us
a whole lot of things are blacks
are done.
Whites can't even
I'm proud to be a black man and I'm proud to be a Ghanaian. But let's go straight to the fact, the truth. They say it is time with the blacks now we cherish whatever we have.
And then
respect
we are just not being honest with each other.
That is it.
That's the only thing. We don't appreciate
we are honest with each other.
But they are not smarter than that.
Apostle Kojosafo enye ka enkoto obi koto osa ko twa ho duty.
Onu oye ka no car ben or drive. That's the whole thing. Onu oye ka no Who your car? Uber, who the Bentley ni Escalade neighbor.
So what
me drive your car. What are you telling me?
Uko France, France presidency trouble not you.
Thank you.
Uko
leadership by example.
Uko Italia, Fiat. Italy president Fiat mu Omia. So they say. Uko America.
Lincoln of Geta. Lincoln ni nyama no mu.
Lincoln of Geta. Escalade na president omu isude omu.
Uko Japan.
Toyota. Sanet here. Eti Ghana and Africa. Yeni bradiye. Yeni soya diye. And we are not ready to develop our country for the upcoming generation to also learn to bring something home. Etunim ye twa so ho.
Asare because
bedi akode.
To me can
say Abraham tell the also a leader. Oh kromwa. Abraham onye sika all develop Ghana say and now with estate OCC. Me so who the estate me come ko echi.
Meaning but one go me so I prefer say he should lie low no yeah ni developmental way that business obey no all because only now the need back power who vote man as president as MP obey say
mameka asemche penifo say kweshini otie kurase oni kweshini otie nkra difference wo
oh yeah difference wo
kweshini otie kurase Denitia enye ba kweshini otie nkra de oni say oja kakra because I let your chele she has ade no just so
oh sale ahaya there I be ba share video no me say obi a share video no na share the echo because we bring you not about authentic news so what he has here and to me I will so be on this on this day say trust me Ghanaians blacks especially we are smart and we are smarter that's one thing and you can't tell me say
you use your smart way here Bill Gates at the article with Trabontina say or say a rich man is not somebody who is selling drugs, who is defrauding people or who is scamming people. A rich man is somebody who creates things from the mind.
And we are creative.
Not a developer.
We are creative.
We are creative. That is what we call it. Nyanyasa who to compete $2 million. No. That makes you a rich man. You're not a rich man.
The only thing
selling drugs, frauding your own people in a political way, in a church way, no, does not make you a rich man.
Yeah.
Say that adria, you didn't kunya, and why you kunya baby and the whole world patronize you are a rich person because it's more no till that you don't come because it's in your mind. What I say? Obi on ma onisika, but on your opportunity now, obetima ye bibi, abe yesikeni. Obi so also obewia, na abe yesikeni. Eti yakase transa can same way na. It will go against we the blacks. But we know how to scam to make their money, but how to develop our country, use our brain to do something, export something, make money. It's so lot. We are losing, bro. We are losing.
Many say we are losing, but
what our president? Our president our president is living on loans. Say so much to go pay loan. How much church letters?
What do you say? Yes, so we have students that they've done a whole lot of things. Obi satellite.
Who is supporting them?
By the end of the day, no.
Who is supporting them?
And I party say Obi waji a first class, music first class. Oh yeah, when you're A1, by the end of the day, no.
All those brilliant ideas, all those ideas.
Now and
I'm saying,
or excel very well. The GPA, everything.
So history, all those ideas, no, comes from the whites.
Oh really?
All those ideas, no. All the time say, I've done. Mama can't say talent. Yeah, they work. But when you support her,
yeah,
talent
that's what we are saying. Yeah, what talent? We have all the necessary human resource. If we have support or whatever it is, we can do marvelous things on this continent, not just Ghana. We can do a whole lot, but just say support in any
and
all because of greedy leaders.
Because Bruni bibi oni mi nyansa te Bruni.
Okay, hold on to that. Now, yeah, Chaso. Boko, we were here and Nanado Echo settle issue ni Nyamano, but at sunrise, and see Asana no, omo under curfew. You have to sleep from you can say 12. By this time, you saw omo them up to the next day, 8 a.m. Do you think say very soon no? The eye of Kama idea. Do you see any war and now the dispute now SC pen coming back in this era.
And some maybe the best sole Ghana a whole lot e be sole. Yana ni na no ahokyere a eba Ghana so. Ahokyere a eba kurom ano. O can man for engine because there are some people they are close to the president. They are close to some political party. They get their coins. They get their blogs from there. They get contract and stuff. So they are loud on media. Okay, so we do attempt. Ahokyere a eba Ghana ha say no. Ebeche 83 na esi na ebia na yewu ebi mu no. Sa come bi na ese bebie.
Say na covenant chacha ya koka the same thing because kum chacha kraka eze. There is hardship in Ghana. It's in Nanado onbie nani.
Oh yes. It's true. COVID-19 eba e hard. Abewiase pen o. Abewiase pen. And I asa repeat bi.
Okay.
And yes afa na aba abewiase pen. E wo hono mo. Eti hardship no de ebe ma enoma bebre ade akoso e wo kurum ase. Because ejuma be no kurum wa. Obia person oda ne sofo.
Ejuma ni o.
Obia person owura aban mu ko wie sika. Oye politician.
Aban mu de
obia person oye what ase pay beba.
O cat the obenya.
Obenya. So that say but at the end of the day what are we exporting? What are we doing? The technical skills now I say Ghana for we take it serious no. We are not doing it. Bibi akoye university and bibi akoye Legon. Bibi akoye Kenya UST. Bibi akoye accounting. We akoye see. And so technical skills now say fa na yetimi generate and normal edit develop your man metal works na that na yenye bi. Ni na Ghana for ja to baby. There are so many things that how mine no. Say you to know enye sike ni a boku dia okay. Eye come o. Eye come dia question to question na eye come. Say na do apeske bi anko se tere fa ni afa. Sa na be koso. Eye come. Kakra me ka fa no.
Kakra me can found no because curfew no is omo dey atu boku for no so for the time being no they are supposed to be sleeping and from 12 p.m. to 8 a.m. and they won't say Charlie nkoyi e wo ho mama kan messages kakra na yen share what is going on Sally or say good evening one God greetings to you Mr. Godfrey Apreku Bonso good evening Mr. Patrick Madam Patricia Kosi Thomas watching you from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia Riyadh and good evening to you all and one God Kosi Thomas so good evening Mr. Godfrey Bonso hi Queen Baba Biom Patricia Obin, it's very bad to see things like this happening in Ghana. And somebody said in Europe, they don't kill, but they rather sentence them. Okay. Talita Pegus, or say 24 states in America has death penalty. So which means they are we are not far from the truth. Tooth death penalty in Europe. Talita Esan Babio. Princess Poma Ejabempa, no sides. Sally. We will see things and then kill. We don't have love. Yeah, okay. I think there you are. President Poma, one God, no size. Johnson Ej, this presenter guy, you are very petty. Hey, that petty as you know. What kind of unprofessionalism is this? Ghana media is very crap. And Ebenezer Ago Abba, the presenter is an NDC guy and knows nothing. There you go. Now remember Yaka NDC FPV. Okay, one God. Monica Adai, watching you from Canada. One God, thank you. Amount King in the house. Greetings from Canada. Ahasam Kasim Amadou, listening to you live from Qatar, Doha. And then Jane Akosia, or say good evening, Father One God. Or say Father One God, Akosia say or shell. One God, we call way so tena share what is going on. Recently, national security for I think it's been happening, but we very serious. Omar Koteno oka armed robbers hu omo ye mienu and I always say is it because sisi ayedi national security job no ejuma edima party foot soldiers without making any inquiries about the person, any research about the person's background and now ebia nipano oya party foot soldier he doesn't know anything about national security and security issues na the sa opportunity no and portfolio no amano. Is that why we are facing all these things? Because recently when ye obi na you see your national security ye obi onya we to no won ya or national security ni na demand. Are we safe in Ghana?
Me da no ase. National security ye ku bi a e was say empenifo sa ekomu ye near chef mu ye. Because the right tools or the right people na ye farm on national security and your money farm. Yeah, the party full soldiers be a they don't know nothing about being a national security no. And ya power mo. Ya power mo. Edo my day. Because we support the party no. Why campaign? Enti adwuma ni ho de na beti susu de a o wade a ni modu de a otimi dwane de a nani aden de a e wo se ye de ne question national security enya sa national security is a ko a wo se ka ye respect o mo pa national security ko bia national security mo fani agro enso Ghana national security ko mu no se no enkwala bi ko asabi omo ye fraud boys omo di party ji kwa no ya fa mu na wo enso je sa ke ya no anya sana za Ghana ke no eti Ghana national security there it is time also penifoni kom no mo use the right people no mo titi defie no mo ye qualified to be in national security nyen go for mo shem na yen just say ye da party full soldiers nya ade no obi support party no ba power or pescal or party ni che what be that. Are you working for your nation or you are working for your stomach?
And I say, who promise now the man, you know, say I should support you. When you come, you create job for me, and you use me to do your dirty works. And by the end of the day, no, you have to provide or give me something to do.
That is the mistake our politicians keep doing. Promising. And also, because politics is there. You are coming to serve the people. You are coming to develop or do something for Ghana. Now we promise a man for so sikaka na wo no a be bo man no and the refi position bi I was say fa timemufo koye aduma no na ye protect ye man no na ye jama sebi akohwifo bi say o ma support party about power so they have to be in national security na no mo di tuo ma akronfo o mo na equity account for the abrofo any Ghana for say so na social media national security for nko na social media and I'm more Juma. First, you more Juma. First, you more Juma. Security before you know say we are national security. No abre. But see, omukita that walkie talking. No, omu brothers. Walkie talking see eton. Gun ni niama. Ade. Yeton. Ah, what did you girls? Not girls who say national security. Our security system, they have to be very careful. Penifonu woni nko. Na look agrada ekofa Apache ba yi. Kofa akwebeta national security abranti we esare camera turn so look at all this national security for any eguase too much it is too much eti penifo ehwe ni ye national security enye small team o kromu anomo obi asole a no do mudin edi freni masem obi asole do mudin scam for the sisi amanfo it is too much okay me won't even me. Let's do the right people for those work. The right tools for the right work, no.
Okay, let's use the right people for the right way because the way these people are going about showing off, say I'm a national security officer, I'm a national security. And you're fair because those days before Obi Beche say and now Obi say Obi a national security. Now Obi say we a fine gentleman. On your basa but we mu. Oh yeah, now we got. I'm a national security. Oh yeah, now who else they don't even have any knowledge about security issues. So what I said, they don't even have knowledge about anything security wise. But because they are parties foot soldiers, now you're more position be and then they are misbehaving all over. And you're munina, yes, and you're munina, but they are just doing this thing all over. One God, I say we don't have my time. me person finalize whatever we said from the way no wo amaphobia obechi omo ni nyama no na yes sorry so
we the kama adishia around the world and amechia mo na say me ka say Ghana abibima mu obi afirifie obi afiri sebi abusua mu watu kwan wo Ghana ha ententan across o so daye obi no beda wo yoba wo ye bema tu hwana mo e kire se abusua ofiri mu no enye papa side ana mame side bibi koso wo ho hwe na enjimu abrabo amagimi o generation adwumasem sikasem bibia en efiri abusua mu asofo no yen kasema mu njomundi ensusunsumsem ko enya asofo ina na sebe mu yesunsumsem mo pe ekira kwan one gostika no pa cha yen ton eye free wonya pains any part of your body wonya pains for more than 1 year 2 years our doctors ain't me just say I say no beje one gostika ni bi ne so hwe tumi ewo mu no e be sure say your body pains how here medic and I say a spiritual pains are I say kama be mu bia wo behu yen ton esum ne tentan adu ni pedua fa so no one gostic can de tunsuom talibaket mu de perfume gum edi dwale ni pedua no abribia bia no bompa ye kama honhom esum ne tentan adu ni pedua fa me serew yimi free esum tete mo tentan na fa ehan kese atuma bra boso tumi bia papa ebusoma mebusoma ni me di esie no me di dwanto kese fa oso kebi mame na me ne masefo me genuesi so yetimi entete ye ho na yen cho ekwan oso fa so ye fa buo ema ye fie ahohom na yen tra sase so na yenya anigye kama this around the world be shall be oso bempa me sa chia o
one God thank you very much for coming on this show Charlie, it's been a great show and thanks for being part of the show Pantuma every 4 o'clock Thursday to 7 o'clock and you had the ding and the if you don't know the time that is the time as of now so what I say the show is produced by Obaya Root and Wafa and I'm a technical person Peter I'm camera Sika and I'm Mrs. yeah or no Sika pa so what I say Mr. Madam Patricia Obin mo share ni na yechia mu nyina se what I say ye can bibi na enko ye a mo fa nche se what I say na say nyama no so a ye kan ye no de ye ma wa na wa fa de enye so na we yi efrim se what I say my name is James Brown. It's been a great show right here with me. Have a great day.